Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss some common errors which do especially during documentation. So let us start. First is redundancy. Redundancy is when we use extra word. For example, please repeat again. Correct. What is the correct version is please repeat. Why? Because repeat already means to do again. So no need to put add extra word again. Please repeat. That is enough. So this problem is known as redundancy. Now second problem is preposition. What is preposition? He is senior than me. It's wrong. He is senior to me. Why? Because words like senior, junior, prior, right? IOR take to, not than. When we compare and when words like senior, junior, prior, right, ends with words which ends with IOR, OR, take to, not THAN. Then usually we um compare two adjectives with the word than, THAN, but here it's not than, it's two. So that is, please keep in mind, very important problems I'm sharing here. Now double negative. I can't find no bugs. Double negative makes one positive. I can't find any bugs, not no bugs, right? I don't say no. For example, another example, I don't say no means you are saying yes. So two negatives makes a positive. So please take care when you use sentence so that two negatives actually makes a positive. Now since versus for very common problem. I am working since 2 hours. I am working for 2 hours because 2 hours are not clear. Since is used for point in time and for is used for duration. Please keep in mind, if you are talking about duration, then you should use for. But if you are talking about particular point of time, suppose this sentence may be like this: I am working since 2 o'clock. So that is correct because 2 o'clock is point of time, right? But 2 hours is a duration, and that is why it's not since, it's for. Now next is parallelism. Parallelism is I like coding and to test. Coding and to test. I like coding and testing. Ing form, ing form. So I like coding, ing form, and to test is infinitive. So that similarity, we have to maintain the similarity. Keep the verb forms ing the same. Coding and testing, not coding and to test. Now hyphenation. Hyphenation is, it is a user friendly app. No, it is a user hyphen friendly app, because that's a compound word, user friendly. So user and friendly cannot be written separately. It is a user friendly app. No, it is user friendly app. So compound adjectives need a hyphen, so we have to use hyphenation. Now next is comprising. It's comprises of 5 parts. Incorrect. It comprises 5 parts. Of, no need to put of. Comprise does not need of, because comprise means contains of. So that's compose of. So that is why it does not required of extra word of. This is a very important point. Please keep in mind, it comprises 5 parts, not comprises of, because comprise means composed of. So right. Now each or every, each of the legs are saved. Logs, sorry, each of the logs are saved. So each of the logs is saved because each is one, right? So not each of the logs is are saved. Each is one and subject is one. Each is always singular. Now hardly. He hardly knows nothing. He hardly knows anything. So similarly, earlier one, that is, I don't know anything, I don't know anybody, right? So that's a any, because that is, he hardly knows anything. He hardly knows nothing is wrong, anything. Hardly is already negative, so that don't use to negative, otherwise meaning would change. Now LOOSE, lose, and LOSE, lose. Don't lose your password, right? What lose? That is LOSE, because LOOSE, lose, means tight, right? That's the opposite of, that's a loose and tight. So that's a size. LOOSE, loose is size. That's the opposite of tight. And LOSE, loose, means to misplace. So please keep in mind, very important point. Now advise or advice, CE or SE. So give me some advice, C. And advice is a noun and advice is a verb. How? That it's a good advice, right? So CE is noun form, and she was advising me, or I was advised, SE. So advice is a verb, right? Very important, effect or effect, है ना? So please keep such words which are commonly used with same sound but different meaning. One of the member is here, wrong. One of the members, because at least two members, then one, na? So that's one of the members. So one of must be followed by plural noun, members, not member. So this is something I just discussed with you, and if you have any problem, you can ask me in this number 942534952, right? Thank you so much. God bless you.